Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. And I already have my OnePlus 7 Pro review video out. I can link to that down below if you didn't happen to catch it. However, that was on the blue variant 7 Pro, and OnePlus has actually released a new color, and that is the almond color, which actually does look similar to another phone that has kind of a gold color scheme to it, so I will show that off next to each other. But I wanted to go ahead and unbox this new almond color of the 7 Pro. And no, I don't need two OnePlus 7 Pros, so I will be giving away the almond color OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's go ahead and check out this brand new color. To enter to win, it's really easy. Just click the Gleam link below, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're notified of other videos. Drop a comment as well. Let me know what you think of the almond color. Now this is an international giveaway, so anyone watching this video can win this phone, but let's go ahead and open it up and check out this new color. Let's get right into it. A OnePlus community sleeve on the outside of the box. And then if we go ahead and open up, actually before we do that, take a look. This has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. And of course, as you can see, the almond color. Opening up the box right away, you do not have the phone. It looks like you have a section for some booklets and such. And here is that phone, which I'm not gonna look at. I'm gonna set to the side for just a second so you guys can check out what else comes in the box. You do have your Warp Charge AC adapter, and then I'm trying not to kind of unpackage all of these things. Here is your USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable, which of course has that signature red on it. And here is a close look at that Warp Charge power brick. It is a little bit larger, however, the charging speeds are really fast with the Warp Charge. And then in this box, looks like you get some booklets, a little welcome guide, and then of course a case, which is always nice when a manufacturer includes a case with their phones. And finally, SIM ejection tool, some stickers, and a booklet. Now that you've seen everything in the box, let's go ahead and check out the almond color OnePlus 7 Pro. Let me take this sticker off. There we go. So here is a look at it on the back. Interesting name, Almond as a choice, but I can kind of see it actually like the inside of an almond coloring. However, the accents around the outside are definitely more of a gold. Now, just getting a close-up, it says OnePlus down at the bottom. There's their logo, and I want to point out with the lens, the ring around that bottom lens actually has a gold trim to it, so that's a nice little design touch that they have done. And then, of course, around all of the lenses is a gold trim. And here's a close-up comparison with the blue and the almond coloring if you're deciding on which color you would like to get, and a look at the trim. So obviously a bit of a difference in the colors. And finally, want to take a close look at the bottom, the sides. You will see on the sides here, the trim actually goes on the button, and of course the alert slider as well. Up towards the top is that cutout for the front-facing camera, which looks a little bit darker of a coloring than the rest of the trim, so it does stand out a bit. And then again, the buttons with that gold trim. Now the phone is booting up right now, and as I mentioned, this looks fairly similar to another phone. Here is the iPhone XS Max in that gold color as well. So you'll see a little bit of a darker coloring to the iPhone. However, when you take a look at some of the trim on it, again, a little bit darker on that iPhone, a little lighter on the OnePlus. So not exactly the same, but of course, as you can tell, very, very similar. With the OnePlus 7 Pro, you do get an in-display fingerprint scanner, which has actually been one of the best out there. Of course, I mentioned that in my review video. I could go ahead and set that up. I want to make a note that I have left on the screen protector that OnePlus does include, of course, because when I send it to whoever wins it, in case they want to leave it on there, it will be on there. Normally, I do take it off myself, but you'll see it registered the fingerprint fine through that included screen protector. And we are on the home screen with that very good-looking 1440p display with that bezel-less design. Also make note that this will be a very, very smooth experience because it has a 90 hertz refresh rate, so it looks extra smooth, even though it is already very quick with the latest Snapdragon 855 processor. Just a couple more things I wanted to show off. First of all, that in-display fingerprint scanner, extremely quick. You'll see I'm testing it out now. It has been very accurate, very quick Probably the fastest out there right now in display. Now, how do we get this bezel-less design? Of course, with that pop-out camera. So there's a look at the mechanism of it popping out. A little software animation when it pops up. Now take a look at it when I flip it around. It does have a gold accent all the way through, which is, again, a nice little attention to detail with the coloring of everything. So there it is, all popped out, a close-up, very flush with the color of the rest of the phone. But anyways, that is it. That is the Almond Color OnePlus 7 Pro. Again, just another look side by side with the blue. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, be sure to go enter in that giveaway. The link is in the description, all done through Gleam. Gleam will randomly select the winner, and then of course I will ship this out to that person. So again, be sure to click that subscribe button, drop a comment, and as always guys, thank you very much for watching.